morning students. Today I will be teaching you about the different types of Java graphical user interface components, in short GUI components. Java has a large set of GUI components. These GUI components are also called as controls. The common examples are the labels, text fields, buttons, combo boxes, etc. Each of these controls are represented using a class. Example, for the control label, the class is JLabel. For the control text field, the class is JTextField. Now all these classes, that is JLabels, JTextFields, JComboBoxes and so on, are packed inside a package called javax.swing. And in order to use these classes in the Java programming, you have to import this package using the Java code, which is import javax.swing.star followed by a semicolon at the beginning of every Java program. These are some of the control classes used in Java. The JFrame is for the frame control, the JLabel is for the label control, JTextField for the text field control, JButton for the button control, JRadio button for the radio button control, JTextArea for the text area control, and so on. The list is shown as in this slide. Let's start with the JFrame class. This is one of the most important and top level components of GUI. JFrame represents a rectangular box with maximize, minimize and close button. All other components such as JLabel, JButton, JTextField and so on will be placed on top of this JFrame. The diagram shows a JFrame with maximize, minimize and the close button at the top right corner of the frame. The title is also displayed at the top left corner of the frame, which reads a Jemplo JFrame. There are many methods of this JFrame class. But before you can use these methods, you have to create an object of the JFrame class. See the Java statement in this slide. JFrame f is equal to new JFrame followed by a semicolon. This statement creates an object named f of the JFrame class. Or if you wish to create an object with a different name, say w, then simply type the Java statement as JFrame w is equal to new JFrame. Then the object w will replace f. Once you have created the object of the JFrame class, you can create methods. Some of the most commonly used methods of the JFrame class are: the first one is setBackground, which sets the background color of the frame. Now, if you wish to set the background color as yellow for the frame with the JFrame object as f, then simply write the Java statement as f.setBackground, then within bracket write java.awt.color.yellow. Similarly, the second method is setForeground, which sets the foreground color of the frame. And if you want the foreground color to be gray, then simply write the statement as f.setForeground, then within bracket write java.awt.color.gray. Now keep in mind that AWT means Application Window Toolkit. The third method is setTitle, which sets the text for the title of the frame. If you want the title for the frame to be read as "It's good to learn swing," then simply type the Java statement as f.setTitle, then within bracket and inverted comma type "It's good to learn swing." The second type of control class is the JLabel class. This is one of the most commonly used components in GUI applications. JLabel represents the label component and it can be placed on the top of the JFrame. See the Java frame in this slide. This frame consists of many controls. One such control is the label. See the labels embedded into this frame. There are two labels with captions, product name and price per unit, as can be seen at the right side of the frame. Some commonly used methods of the JLabel class are: the first one is setText, which sets the caption for the label. Now, if you wish to set the caption for the label as "It is nice to learn swing," then write the Java statement as JLabel.setText, then within bracket and inverted quote type "It is nice to learn swing." The next method of the JLabel class is getText, which returns the text of the label. Now, we already know that the text which was set into the label was "It is nice to learn swing," and if we want that text to be assigned to a variable named s, we have to use the getText method. This method grabs the text that was set into the label and then assigns it to the variable named s. The Java statement to do that is string s equal to JLabel.getText followed by a semicolon. The third commonly used method of the JLabel class is setBackground, which sets the background color of the label. Now, if you wish to set the background color of the label as yellow, simply type the Java statement as JLabel.setBackground, then within bracket write java.awt.color.yellow.